What if ChatGPT could actually do the tasks you give it? Search the web, book reservations, make slides, even fill spreadsheets without you lifting a finger. Well, now it can. Meet the powerful new update from OpenAI, ChatGPT Agents. And let me show you what it can do. So, what is a ChatGPT agent? Agents combine OpenAI's best tools, browsing, code interpreter, memory, and file access into one virtual assistant that takes real action. In this clip, it finds budget data, plans a date night, and even formats Excel sheets, all on its own. And the best part, while it works, you can go grab a coffee. Next, let's say you want to research office spaces in Singapore and turn it into a stunning deck. Just tell the agent. It will pull rental rates, grants, photos, and create a full PowerPoint presentation. By the time you are back, the work is done. So, ever spent 4 to 8 hours digging through PDFs for budget data? Now, just describe the task and ChatGPT Agent will find government PDFs, extract the numbers, and generate a clean spreadsheet, like this one from San Francisco's last 5 years of budgets. Seriously, this is your new AI analyst. Next, the agent does not just follow instructions, it learns about you. Connect your Google Calendar, Gmail, Dropbox, and it personalizes your tasks. In this example, it knows the user's availability, preferences like gluten-free, and makes a restaurant reservation without needing another prompt. Next, the agent does not just follow instructions, it learns about you. Connect your Google Calendar, Gmail, Dropbox, and it personalizes your tasks. In this example, it knows the user's availability, preferences like gluten-free, and makes a restaurant reservation without needing another prompt. Finally, watch how it plans a 3-day trip to a tennis tournament. From checking match schedules, syncing with your calendar, booking flights and restaurants, every detail is handled. Now this is the future of personal assistance. If this blew your mind even a little, imagine where we are headed next. Agents are just the beginning of what ChatGPT can do. Comment below which task you want the agent to take off your plate. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI power in action.